Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then somewhere in here you'll find a screen recording toggle. Now unfortunately they're not named, so we need to extend it just so we can actually see the names. And you can see screen recorder is right over here. Now you can either hold it or tap on it. If you hold it, it will take you to the settings where you can customize the actual quality of the screen recording. And to start recording, instead of holding it, all you would need to do is just tap on it. It will give you the overlay right here. It actually gives us access to settings from here. Then record and close button. So I'm going to start recording. And you can see it gives us a timer right here. We can move this around, though it will not be visible on the recording. Now whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device, minus opening up things like Netflix. I love to always showcase this because it's a absolute scammiest little thing that Netflix is doing. So you can see we have content right here visible. We can swipe through pages, whatever. We can select get started. And I'm gonna just close this right now, stop recording. And this will automatically save the screen recording to our Photos application. So right over here. Now it is under screen recording album, so we can actually, I guess not now. Yeah, we don't have access to albums, at least not from the sidebar, maybe not yet. So if you see that later on, you will see, for instance, right here it says screen recording. You can tap on it and this will actually take you to the album, which for some reason isn't visible in the side panel. But in any case, in here, obviously you will find just screen recordings. And here's the one that I have just captured. I think it's playing already. Yep, there we go. So there we go, that's our Netflix recorded. As you can see Squad All on here, and that is by design. Now, what you are experiencing right now is one of the Samsung, or not Samsung, but Android features, which is basically done for privacy and security purposes. Now, both of these would imply that they are done for you, but what you just seen wasn't done for you, it was against you. So just to explain what this feature is and what it's designed for, it's designed so, for instance, if you open up applications like your bank applications, and for some reason you have some malware on your phone that is trying to screen pin, or for instance, what pin you have for your bank apps, and what the credit card info is, which you can view obviously in your bank application, this prevents it from happening because such an application would just get straight up black screen, so they cannot see anything in it. But where it doesn't matter is places like Netflix or Hulu or other garbage streaming applications which basically want your money, and they offer you the poorest experience ever. So you can kind of see how this makes no sense for an application like this to be utilized. And furthermore, you don't have control over this. So when an application decides to implement this, it's none of your choice to turn that off if you, for instance, wanted to. Because one could argue that it's your device, so you might want to turn this feature off. You can't. So in any case, I just wanted to clarify this for people that might experience this at a certain point. So just know that once you see this, there's nothing really you can do, and whatever app you are trying to record is just simply blocking you from doing so. Now anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.